Right, pulling all the tank out today so I can get this stop cock out there, because it never worked since I did it, so I'm going to try and replace it with one of these and cut off valve electric. So I can wire all that up and brush that in there instead. Put this in line and hopefully rig this up so it switches it off when it's full. Right, that's the first thing I gotta do, get all this tank out so I can get all that out now. Right. So taking this out and just replacing it with that, which will go in there. And get rid of all this. So right, get them swapped over. Right, got all that connected up now, and got a meter connected to it so it buzzes. So that's contact when it's empty, so it can fill, and then as soon as it gets full it breaks contact and stops it filling, and I can just switch it off or switch everything off after that. So that's just when I'm filling from a hose pipe. That's connected. Right, get it all wired in now. Right, got that float in the tank now. So now I want to put this switch. So I'm going to replace this manual one with electric one. So that's going to have to go there and extend that, then do away with that tap there. So I've got to pull all this out now and get that one in. Well, that's got all that in. All in there now, so all I've got to do now is get the wires, wire this to a switch which goes to that float in the tank as well, so it's like a double cut off. Right, we'll need to get the wires in now. I got that all wired up. That one's just going to power, and this one's going to the float. Goes to the float in there, and then the wire comes from the back into the switch, which switch that on, that opens the valve when the float's down, and then that just goes off to down this behind there. So that's all that's set up. So now we've got to test it all by putting some water in. Right, got the pipe attached. Can't see any leaks down there. It's all pressurised. That's it, no water coming in. So switch this on, and still no water coming in. Right, I did have this valve the wrong way round. Don't know how I managed that, but just switch that round. Right. Can't see any leaks down there. It's all okay. There. No water coming in, so now switch the switch on. And the water's coming in. Switch off, yep. It stops it, so that's working okay. Back on. Right, wait for that fill and see how the float works. Right, nearly full. So see if this float's going to work now. And that's it. Switched it off. Perfect. Right, switch this off here, and then that's all full. Right, cleaned all them little bits of plastic out of there and emptied it out now for winter. It's all ready for next year now. Right, that's it for now, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.